In the world of manufacturing, precision and reliability are paramount. That's why Jorgensen Conveyor and Filtration Solutions and Motor City Spindle Repair are joining forces in an exciting collaboration that's set to revolutionize the industry. Jorgensen Conveyor and Filtration Solutions, a global leader in conveyor technology, has been delivering cutting-edge solutions for decades. Their conveyor systems are known for their durability, efficiency, and innovation. From their precision-engineered belts to their state-of-the-art control systems, Jorgensen Conveyor provides the backbone for countless manufacturing operations worldwide. On the other hand, Motor City Spindle Repair is renowned for its expertise in spindle repair and maintenance. They have a proven track record of revitalizing and extending the life of the critical manufacturing components. The meticulous craftsmanship of Motor City Spindle Repair ensures that your machinery runs at peak performance, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Now, imagine the power of these two industry giants coming together. It's a partnership that promises to redefine efficiency and reliability in manufacturing. Jorgensen and Motor City Spindle Repair, a collaboration that offers seamless integration of conveyor technology with spindle repair expertise. It's a win-win for manufacturers across the globe. Whether you're in automotive, aerospace, agriculture, medical, oil and gas, guns and ammo, mining and defense, or any industry that demands precision and reliability, our collaboration ensures that you can stay on track. Join us in this exciting journey as we revolutionize manufacturing together. Jorgensen and Motor City Spindle Repair, where precision meets performance.